Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to add image to part of Discord Prev message, so you can clearly reply to specific messages with images attached. Step 1. Go to Discord and open the channel where the message was originally sent. This is important because you can only reply to messages inside the same channel where they appear. Step 2. Hover your mouse over the previous message you want to reference. When you hover, Discord shows extra options that let you interact with that specific message. Step 3. Click the reply icon that appears on the right side of the message. This creates a reply box that automatically links your message to the original one. Step 4. Type your text in the reply box to explain which part of the message you are referring to. Step 5. Click the plus icon near the message box or browse an image directly into the text field. This lets you attach an image that will be sent together with your reply. Step 6. Press enter to send the reply with the image attached to that message. The image will appear clearly connected to the previous message you replied to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful tutorials.